Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you'd like to join our amazing signal team, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. I'm going to leave our website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our amazing team, just simply scroll down now, click on the link which will then take you to the site, and then on our site you'll then be able to purchase our trading signal package for a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. So it really is great value for money. However, in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see today we're trading ever so slightly in the green, currently at 11,985, so just underneath that large psychological number of 12,000. Quite frankly guys, the market needs a pullback here. The Fed come out yesterday in his conference and basically said that he's willing to support the markets for even longer, and also the Fed now has a strategy with regards to inflation. They have an objective to get inflation up to 2%, which is their objective. So this is great news for the stock market, and from my point of view, I believe that the stock market will continue in this nice uptrend that we've had for another month or two. The Fed has just come he's come out and reassured us, and it's just a great boost for the bulls in all indices, the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq 100. But there is a but. The Nasdaq 100 is overbought in the short run. I think we've gone up a little bit too fast, too soon, and it does need a pullback. It needs some of the big hedge funds and the big banks to take some profit. So that's what I'm waiting for. I don't have any money in the Nasdaq 100 as of yet. I'm waiting for a nice pullback back towards that 11,500 area. If we can get a pullback to this area here, I would be willing to inject lots of money and put it to work, because quite frankly, the Nasdaq 100 is my favorite indice out of the three, that being the Dow and the S&P 500. These tech companies have adapted their business models so well to the pandemic, and that's why you're seeing such amazing earnings reports and such amazing gains across the board in these tech companies. 12,000 obviously being a round number, it has got a large psychological presence, and therefore I think it will take a catalyst to push it a little bit higher. And you know what, the Fed's conference yesterday could be that, but I still believe we need a pullback. So any dip that occurs in this market should be bought. And my new target now, I'm going to raise it, will be 12,500. 12,000 was my yearly target, my end of the year 2020 target. We've already achieved it, and we've still got a couple of months left to go in here. I say a couple, we've got around about 4 months left. So 12,500 will be the next target due to its psychological presence. We're at all-time highs, so there's no particular roof in the market which we can aim for. But RSI does need to pull back. But I'm a buyer on the dips, no interest in selling. If you sell this market, you will lose money. It's as simple as that. You do not sell a bullish market, you just buy the dip.